Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Today's color, I feel like we're about to be winging it. I'm not necessarily sure what I want to do yet. I have this Schwarzkopf Igora B4 B6 color. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that. I have Palm Mitchell, I have Color Touch, and I've been testing these swatches over here. If this will focus, you can see it. That's 7 RG from Paul Mitchell, and then I have some Adore colors and ginger, and let's see what this one is, Paparika. So I'm just gonna have a client come in and then I will figure out what I want to use. I want to see if the B4 B6 will lift them high enough so I can get into the brown family, and if they don't lift their hair high enough, I might just bleach her hair and then apply these brown colors. But I have something in mind and I'm not necessarily sure what I want to do yet. So you stay tuned and let me know, or I guess watch and see what happens.
My client came in with somewhat damaged hair. I also wanted to do a test strand quickly to see. So I put the Schwarzkopf B4 on her hair to see real quickly if it's going to lift to the brown I was looking for, because I was kind of indecisive with that. If I wanted to bleach her first, or I wanted to just make her use that Highlift brown color. So I did that, and if you look at this frame coming up, it turned to the brown I was looking for. So I was like, oh, this is great. Her hair lifted really fast, I decided to give her a quick trim. Her ends just didn't look too right. So I decided to give her a nice quick trim and, give her hair some type of shape before I put the color on there. This is not necessarily a hair cutting video, more so a coloring video, so I didn't want to do too much. If you're looking for hair cutting videos, you can go. I put the link in my description. I usually watch a lot of good haircuts from Matt Beck from FreeSaloneducation. So you go over there and check him out. He does very good haircuts. I love it. I learn a lot from him. So hopefully you also can learn some good, nice tips and tricks from him. And I decided to use the B4 and B6 mixture from Schwarzkopf Igora with 40 volume developer. Also, in the top part, I decided that I was going to line the top part of her hair and put some more colors. So I mixed 20 volume with Blondme and applied, starting from the base, the nape part of her hair. I give her a lightweight trim, so you can see her hair is not as long anymore like it was in the beginning. And I'm going, I sped up the video because realistically I'm just pulling color all over, all the way from the roots to the ends of her hair. I wanted to do this really quickly because I realized her hair was lifting up quite quickly. So I was just trying to hurry up and make this happen. The base of this top part, I wanted to make sure that it's brown like everything else. So I applied the brown mixture also in the very base, and then I proceeded to lighten the top. I applied Blondme bleach with 20 volume developer, and I applied all over. I isolated the sections with foils, and the very top part of the hair I also wrapped foils all around it because I wanted to hurry up and process really quickly so everything can catch up. Because the back, I started processing really fast when I started applying the brown color. Everything is processed. You see the brown looks very good. In the very top part, I am applying 7RG from Guiding My Identity. In the second diagonal section that I had, I applied Adore color in Paparika. As you see me applying the color, I have all these slices and I'm alternating the color as I go. This section right here, I am applying Adore color in ginger. So I alternated the sections and applied the colors as I went. And this is what I came up with. It looks really nice. And now that I've styled it, I really like how the color came out. It looked really good. She liked it. I liked it. So yeah, it looks like we did a great job. So these are some more pictures that I took so you can see the whole thing. Comment below and let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, thanks for watching and bye now.